Hello everyone, welcome to Gummy Machine channel. I'm your host Rachel and I am delighted to introduce a revolution oil coating and sugar coating machine to you. Traditional gummy candy oil and sugar coating machines require a separate machine for oil and sugar coating process. But now our technical team developed a cutting-edge device that combines both functions into you. The device, through advanced technology and innovative design, makes the process of oil and sugar coating gummy candies more efficient and convenient. Instead of purchasing two machines, only need one machine to accomplish both oil and sugar coating tasks. Okay, then let me see the PLC touchscreen, the details. Compared to traditional machines, our new machine features an advanced servo motor driver system, making the operation more intelligent and precise. The touchscreen interface allows you effortlessly control the machine, enabling one-touch operation for a more intuitive and convenient experience. Let's see the roller details. Furthermore, our new machine is made of food-grade PE material, which is more convenient for cleaning and hygiene. Compared to traditional stainless steel, you can quickly and thoroughly clean the machine, ensuring the hygiene and the safety of your production process. Lastly, our machine not only breaks through in functionality but also helps you create soft candies with a delicate texture and a rich flavor profile. Let's have a look at these gummy candies made with our oil and sugar coating machine. Gummy candy oil and sugar coating machine has received recognition and praise from many customers. They appreciate the efficient, convenience, and excellent results in gummy candy production achieved by our machine. Choosing our machine, you will have a preference to make the high-quality gummy candies. And lastly, thank you for watching today's program. If you are interested in learning more about our soft candy oil and sugar coating machine, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.